Hey everyone, today in this video you will see that how you can create drone logo in Adobe Illustrator CC by using grids. So let's start. Welcome back to video. My artboard size is 1230 multiplied by 720 pixels. Press mouse right button and show rulers. Add vertical guide in center. Go to ellipse tool and draw a big circle around 130 pixels. Now swap fill to stroke and make copy by pressing Shift plus Alt key. Select both and press Shift plus Alt key and make another copy. Now add horizontal guide in center. Go to ellipse tool again and draw a small circle on top right side. Adjust it a little bit. Select rotate tool or press R from keyboard. Add point in center. By pressing Shift plus Alt key, rotate small circle to 90 degree. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. Press Ctrl D to duplicate again. Select all the shapes. Go to Shape Builder tool. Swap stroke to fill and make shape. Delete extra circles by pressing Alt key. Select ellipse tool again. Draw a circle around 80 pixels and remove fill. Go to edit, copy, edit, paste in front, and by pressing Shift plus Alt key make it bigger. Go to line segment tool and add lines. Select these lines and circle. Go to Shape Builder tool again and swap fill to stroke. Delete extra shapes by pressing Alt key. Add color in shape and make its corner round. Go to round tool again or press R from keyboard. Add point here and rotate to 90 degree. Select both shapes, go to rotate tool again, add point in drone center, and by pressing Shift plus Alt key rotate it to 90 degree. Press Ctrl D to make copy, press Ctrl D to make duplicate again. Now select everything, remove stroke, make group, by pressing Shift plus Alt key make it smaller. Hide guides, go to type tool, add name. I am going to use my favorite Montserrat font. If you want to download, then check link in description. Go to character panel. If you don't find character panel here, go to window, type, and here you can find character panel, or you can press Ctrl T to appear it. Okay, set tracking ID to 200. To create outlines, go to object and expand it. Select both, align it to center and make group. Now we need to add colors, so here's color scheme on right side. Make a big rectangle, its size must be same as our artboard. Add colors in it. Press right click and arrange send to back. Go to object and lock it. Now press our logo and make it bigger, align it to center. Finally, you just successfully created it. If you have any question, then please comment below. Hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.